guys, it's me Shashwat and today I'm gonna unbox iPhone 11 green. So let's do it guys. It is 128 GB storage as you can see. Here is the phone. This little beast, it has got A13 Bionic chip inside it, iOS 13. It has got 6.1 liquid retina HD LCD display. Let's start it. And yeah, it's also water and dust resistant, 2 meters for up to 30 minutes, dual camera system, 12MP ultra wide cameras, night mode, portrait mode, 4K video to 60 FPS. It's got all of the latest features.
Yeah, boy.
So let's start it. So here guys, I'll be right back after the setup. Here's the setup of iOS. And let's see what's else inside the box. Let's put this aside for some time. This phone is available in all of these colors: red, black, white, yellow, green and purple, as you can see. Designed by Apple in California. Here are the Apple stickers and manuals and all stuff. Let that go. Here are the Apple earpods. These are not AirPods, so don't get confused. The charging adapter, and so yes, that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video and share the video. Thank you.